Hello and welcome back to CalNet. This video will give you a brief overview of CalNet NextGen. CalNet NextGen contracts replace CalNet 3 contracts. All CalNet 3 customers must be transitioned off of their CalNet 3 contract and on to a CalNet NextGen contract by December 31st, 2023. Customers should transition their services as soon as possible to avoid any unwanted interruptions. Contact the CalNet Help Team for contract transition assistance. CalNet NextGen offers services from a variety of contractors across 17 technology categories. Most services can be found in categories named similarly to the categories in CalNet 3. However, there are some changes to be aware of. Managed security items are now located in the MPLS and Internet categories. VoIP has been expanded with new categories and offerings including cloud-hosted VoIP, Teams VoIP integration, 911, new teleworking features, and new mobile features. Web conferencing has also been expanded and is now located in additional categories. IVR has become Contact Center and has two available categories: Standard Contact Center and Custom Contact Center. Broadband now has its own category with its own set of SLAs. Lastly, there are now two contract vehicles to meet your cabling needs: Services-Related Infrastructure, which is available in multiple CalNet categories and is used primarily in support of a CalNet service, as well as the statewide Structured Cabling Services contract for larger inside and outside structured cabling projects. For complete service catalogs, along with ordering instructions and much more, visit the CalNet website. Thanks for watching.